As far as I know, Trinseo is probably the only one, at least in the rigid plastic part, who has decided to go for the ISO 13485 as a quality management system for their plants where they produce medical polymers. And this is big added value for our customers. Why customers like us? Why customers want to work with Trinseo?
We like to support them as much as we can with technical expertise. We value, especially in the medical area, quality above all, because especially for the medical customers, this is the holy grail. They need 100% quality product, and they know that Trinseo is very, very, very concerned with that and makes sure that they get the quality they need.
When you talk about quality, as far as I know, or to my best knowledge, Trinseo is probably today the only one, or at least just few ones who have decided to go for the ISO 13485 for their plants producing medical grade, and this is actually very good.
So, as a polymer producer, you mean we're probably the only one that has that ISO certification?
As far as I know, we're the only one, at least in the rigid part, the rigid material part.
Rigid plastics.
Yeah, rigid plastic part. Yeah. Especially with the new regulation, it's getting tight and very strict.
Which new regulation? Do you mean the
new MDR coming up now very soon? Medical device regulation for Europe is going to be very strict in terms of quality. It's going to be very strict in terms of usage of polymers as well. And that's also kind of trend actually.
Yeah.
We still have some medical device producers using industrial or food grade. Yeah? That's not going to be the case anymore. No. So that's going to change. And that's good for the patients at the end, good for the market.
Higher quality products, more product safety, can you say
exactly,
that?
More safety. And for Trinseo, I think we're ready for that one as well. We have very clean, good medical grades with biocompatibility statement and all quality documentation.
Yeah.